G'day, this is Jason here from4XPipSnager and Forex UTurn. Today is September 30th, the last day of the month. Yes. Okay, so we're going to move into our October here, and I just want to say quick note that time will be changing soon, few weeks, and the Asia Open will be at 7 o'clock, I believe, Eastern Standard Time instead of 8. Okay, so let's get in on this now. We're looking at the Euro US dollar 5 minute time frame. As you can see, it's been bearish all day. Red, 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 red in the filter. Okay, no buying anywhere on this chart. Okay, so our 3 o'clock ding was right here. We broke through support and told you to sell right here. So if you got in here. Okay, your stop would have been 50 pips. It would have went against you 32 pips. I myself would have got out here, lost about 12 to 15 pips here. Then there was a re-entry again. As you can see, this platform lost its data right here. Yeah, the good old platforms that stop trading and freak you out when you're in a friggin' trade. Anyway, we basically, yeah, to a T bounced off support here. So there was no selling in here. So all that you could do, if you did have data and could see what was going on, there was a lot of pullbacks all the way down in this move. So you could have sold some rallies up into here and here, and you would have done well and made some pips, as you can see. Can't see it on here because the data's not here. Okay, so we'll move on to the 1 minute now, and we'll auto scroll back in time. See, look at this, lost data. Oh, they had a little tick here in the middle. Oh, I seen my price moving again. Woo woo. Oh, it disappears again. Woo woo. It's like Halloween trading with these MetaTrader platforms. Let me tell you. I trade at Think Forex, and yeah, they've been losing a lot of connections lately too, and they're saying it's MetaQuote's fault that's doing this. So they've been running good now though for a few days, so they say that it's fixed. Thank God. Okay, so here is our chart. As you can see, this opening here of the UK, which was an up-down mess in here, okay, went nowhere. There was nothing in the filter, so there was no trade, okay? So it was too late over here. Excuse me, I'm yawning here. Why am I yawning? Okay. So anyway, there was no trade there. It came down too far too fast. If you did sell here and were brave, I guess if you waited it out, you would have got your 10 pips. And then it was red over here, so there was no trade here. And then this was our time not to trade. Let's see. This was too far down, too fast. There was no trade here. If it would have came here and pulled back up, yes, there would have been a sell. But no, that was at 11:05. Our window of opportunity is closed then. So basically, there was no trades here for scalping today. Okay, we'll move on now to the pound. Is the euro going back up now? Oh yeah, right up to the trend line. Yeah, up she goes. How high? Nobody knows. Okay, so let's look at the pound now. Yeah, pound's shooting right up here like a star. Okay, here's 3 o'clock. Our entry would have been here after we broke through support. So our entry was before, somewhere in here, before the open. If you did sell a rally up here into the trigger line, well, it just went against you and went the other way, unfortunately. There was no buying here. By the time this kicked in, it was up here. Let's see, with the US session, it was blocking the filter to sell here. Here's where it lost data. Yeah, there was no trades here either. It was just a mess. Okay, let's look at the Swissy. Yeah, same thing here. 10 o'clock. Yeah, I guess you could have bought a dip here. You may have got a few pips, but I doubt it because it came back down and went sideways. And your stop would have been here. Never would have stopped you out if you would have held on through that. But if you did hold on through that, It would have went against you about 25 pips, and right now you're still making 46 pips. About 70 pips to the top. Okay, so that's it for Snagger. Let's move on to U-turn. Okay, U-turn. Euro gave a W formation here. Told you to buy at 36. But in the filter it was all red, so it was telling you don't sell. But if you were aggressive and you bought in on it, well, it came around, turned around, and did an M. Goes from a W to an M. That's like a flip flop. You know, like I told you last week, get those flippers on and flip on down to the beach, boy. All right, check out the chicks. Okay, so anyway, nothing against you women listening to this video. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Oh, shh, 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 Jason. Shh. Okay, no more funny stuff. Okay, so anyway, right here. So if you did get short, you would have got short at about 35.50, and you would have made a easy 100 pips here for sure. Still making 100 pips. Okay, and that's it for the euro, and you know, your stop would have been up here at the swing high. You would have sold it right there. Okay, and the pound. Ooh, the pound don't look too good. Too good. We had our M formation yesterday, late in the day. Would have got you short right now, whereabouts where it is. And the most you could have got out of it is 50 pips or so. And now it's, you know, you're at break even pretty much. Don't want to hold the trade over the weekend. Never, never, ever want to do that. Okay, so that's it for the setups for today for the last day of the month, September 30th, 2011. This is Jason Sweezy once again from Forex UTurn and Forex UTurn. You have a good weekend.